Upgrade your home in one weekend. 7 easy DIY smart home projects for beginners. Ever wondered how to give your house that smart upgrade without breaking the bank or spending weeks on setup? Turning your house into a smarter home might sound intimidating, but with a little DIY magic, you can do it in just a weekend. From customizable LED wall lights to clever sensors that keep your plants alive, these projects let you inject personality and tech savviness into your space without needing advanced skills or a big budget. Curious? Dive into these 7 DIY smart home ideas, complete with all the parts you'll need, so you can impress yourself and your friends with your handiwork in just a couple of days. 1. Brighten up your walls with RGB LED rope lights ***. Inject some fun into your decor with a smart RGB LED rope from Govee. Unlike regular LED strips, this flexible neon-like tube can be shaped into your own patterns and mounted on walls using included brackets. With the Govee app, you can pick colors, create custom designs, or use dazzling effects that dance to sound. Plus, it works with Google Home, Alexa, and Siri for voice control, though note it doesn't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so keep that in mind if your network is busy. While not necessarily renter-friendly, this project transforms bland spaces into vibrant works of art. 2. Create a futuristic DIY smart mirror ***. Imagine checking the weather, your calendar, or even playing music all through a sleek, techie mirror. Got an old PC monitor lying around? Turn it into a smart mirror using a Raspberry Pi and a two-way mirror, or buy a pre-made one. This project involves some assembly and coding skills, but it's worth it for a cool, multifunctional gadget that acts as a clock, information hub, or entertainment screen. Plus, with easy-to-use software like Magic Mirror 2, you can customize it to your need. It's a little more advanced, but the wow factor is unbeatable. 3. Keep your plants and mail in check with vibration sensors ***. Transform a simple sensor into a notification ninja. Using a vibration or tilt sensor like Acura's, you can monitor your mailbox, indicating when mail arrives, or even set alerts for when your laundry finishes. Get creative, attach sensors to fridges, pet doors, or your favorite reclining chair to receive updates right on your phone. While installing might be a little tricky, the satisfaction of a smart, alerting home makes it all worthwhile. 4. Build a DIY e-ink dashboard for home data ***. Tech-savvy and data-driven? Build your own dashboard with an e-ink display, ESP32 microcontroller, and a custom enclosure, or have one 3D printed. Loaded with your home's sensor data like temperature, humidity, or security info, and get real-time updates displayed in a sleek, battery-friendly format. This project demands some coding know-how and hardware assembly, but it's a rewarding way to have a personalized, digital control center for your house. 5. Ensure your green friends never go thirsty ***. A soil moisture sensor can save your houseplants, or garden, from neglect. Simply insert the sensor into the soil, connect it to a microcontroller, and you'll get alerts when your plants need watering, perhaps turning on a light or sending a notification. While the setup is straightforward, quality sensors matter, so check reviews before buying. With some tinkering, you could even upgrade it into an automatic watering system. 6. Fill your home with music using multi-room audio setup ***. Love your existing speakers but want a multi-room setup? Devices like WM streamers connect easily to your favorite services like Spotify and Tidal, then sync multiple rooms for a seamless music experience. Compatible with Apple AirPlay 2, Google Cast, and DLNA, these tiny gadgets turn your home into a concert hall with just a bit of configuration. It's a fantastic upgrade without ripping out your beloved audio gear. 7. Automate non-smart devices with a button pusher ***. Ever wish your coffee maker or garage door could start with a tap? Enter SwitchBot, a little device that physically presses buttons and switches on your behalf. It seamlessly integrates with Alexa, Google Home, and IFT, letting you automate everyday appliances without any rewiring. Attach it to hard-to-reach switches, and suddenly your home reacts just as smartly as your fancy gadgets. DIY projects like these aren't just money savers, they're opportunities to have fun and learn something new. Whether you're a seasoned maker or just starting out, these ideas are perfect for a weekend of creative tinkering. Just remember to stay safe, follow instructions, and enjoy turning your house into a genuinely smart, personalized haven.